Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to be swatching Painted Polish Must Love Moss and Moonshine Mani Ruby Tuesday. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and Low and Away as base coats. And here is Must Love Moss by Painted Polish. And here we go. Now I know this is a little unusual because I normally do nail art and all the things. But here's the deal. I've got this big bucket of untried polishes, and so I just decided to just paint my nails and just do a swatching video with them. Gonna cap my little itty bitty free edge here, and there we go. And you know, I had good intentions of putting nail art on both of these manicures, but it didn't happen. So I decided I still wanted to share the swatches of them in case you wanted to pick them up. Wanted to see them, how they work. Hi Woody, how you doing? So I really did love the formula on this one. Got a little glitter sticking off the end. Oh, come on, there we go. And I'm going to top it here with I&M Out the Door. So that's 2 coats and then a top coat. And I really, I know a lot of people don't like colors like this, but I do. Because they're unusual. With all those glitters in it. Just, so pretty. Alright, here is my swatch photo of Must Love Moss. And here we go with Moonshine Mani. And this one is Ruby Tuesday. So pretty, look at that. Alright, so the very first coat is sheer. But it's going to build up quite nice. Quite nice. We're going to like it in the end. And I love polishes like this. You guys all know that I have a fascination with China Glaze's Ruby Pumps. And this is in that same family. It's definitely squishy jelly-like. Trying to get, pull that skin back so I can cover that tip. Oh, there we go. Alright, second coat of Ruby Tuesday. Very pretty. This is from the Dupe It project. Alright, now that that's over, I'm going to apply some top coat, and I'm using I&M Out the Door on this as well. And if I can find links for both of these polishes, because I don't know what's out there still, I will put them down in the description box for you. Alright. Alright. And then I'm going to add a second top coat to this one. Just because I can. You know. Sometimes you need to do that. Ta-da! There we go. Oh my God. Blingalicious. And there you have it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time. Be good to yourself.